So I had to slow this down quite a bit. It was screwing up the support, and trying to stay within the specs. I don't want any stringing. We slowed it down 28% of 150, but this isn't your usual 150. Like when I slice something on another deal, 150 is way slower. I don't know what they're doing differently. So our infill is 150, our wall speed is 75, top and bottom 120, support speed 150. I think I would probably change that because that's where it's screwed up. And travel speed is 400. Anyway, it started to have problems here on this, and I had to tear out a bunch of the support, and it was just ugly. So right now I'm just printing slow to let it catch up and build that support back up. So I'm not sure what speed I need to change because I got to print 2 of these, left and right. And so this is a rail for an icom 7000. Apparently the guy says that he's never printed it before. This is a pair of rails that can be attached in order to protect the front and back of the radio. They are mounted to the radio in the same screw holes for the mobile base. The length of each piece is 236. They might not fit on every printer. You might have to cut in 2 in order to fit or print lay flat. The print should be easy and infill should be 30 to 50%. Should be okay for normal use. I haven't printed them yet, but instead a good friend of mine cut them out of 44 or 4 millimeter aluminum using industrial cutter. You get the idea. So this guy hasn't even used them, hasn't done it. So he hasn't printed it. It looks like last update was 2020. So, but he's the only one that's got one online. So we're printing it, but I found that the print speeds for it were too fast with the supports. On my Neptune, I have to do it diagonally. I'm getting a little bit of stringing, but I guess it's pretty normal. I could have just printed it on the Solval. It was saying it was going to take 5 hours or something, so I was like, nah, I don't want to do that. I'm not really in a hurry, but anyway, I don't even own this radio. It's for a friend, so I'm going to print this for him, and then also we're going to print the LDG tuner holder, which is this one right here. This is pretty cool because I thought about doing this with some other tuners before, and the Z100 and let's see, radio I was going to use it with probably the 706, but I don't have it no more. I sold the 706. It's pretty cool, but I don't think you'd be able to use that and the rails at the same time. But yeah, I'm just going to print them both for them. Let's see what we got. Yeah, maybe if I turn my speed back up, it'll stop stringing. This thing, I don't know, it just travels so fast. Are you going to tell me that's 68% of whatever? That's crazy. Of 150? I don't know. Seems really fast.